guys, in this clip we'll show you how to configure the settings of the Unity SDK so that you can proceed to make your own apps for the LooxidVR. First things first, download the Unity SDK from the Unity website. Open the program and proceed to clicking on the File tab and then on Build Settings, which will open a new window. On the Build Settings window, select Android among the options for the platforms and then click on Switch Platforms. Then, click on Player Settings, which will open the Inspector Side tab on the Unity SDK program. Open and scroll down in the Other Settings tab, and proceed to renaming that package name to whatever name you want. Then, find the Minimum API Level section and select Android 7 Nougat API Level 24. Further down, you will find the Extra Settings section, in which you should enable the virtual reality supported option and click on the plus sign to open the available options. Once you select the Daydream on the virtual reality SDKs, you will have completed the initial configuration of the settings. Now, it's time for you to download the LooxidVR SDK from the download section on our website. Open the Unity SDK program and open Assets. Go to Import Package and then click on Custom Package. On the window that opens, find the LooxidVR SDK Unity package that you just downloaded and import it.